Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. This is a vlogging series. We're almost towards the mid of April. Almost 30 some odd days till my birthday. Anyhow, if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. And yeah, if any questions, please let me know. I'll answer as best of my ability. And also, yeah, we'll also read your comments sometimes on the channel as well. So we are getting to a point where we're almost done with all the Eldar prints, and we start building, hopefully soon. Working on bugbears right now for D&D, and we got some prints that I'll be working on. This is a pen up kind of thing for the Necrons. It's lewd, sexy, on bed and stuff. I just printed it out because I thought it was kind of cool. Well, your cool, my cool will be totally different, but I actually can use this. I forgot it's one of they made a female version of it, uh, and they changed it around, but I can actually use this for my Necron army for it. Very soon, when I'm done with a lot of the D&D prints, we'll be doing terrain pieces. I'll be showing you how to use your failed prints like I have here and or extra you have and turn them into terrains. There'll be multiple videos of different types because I have a lot of freaking bits and pieces that we'll probably never use, like part of Cell's wing, and I can use it as a Tyrannid, um, using it as Tyrannid's terrain piece. So, they're like insect-like. Cell's like an android, but he's also like insect-like. But you know what I mean. So, I'll be turning a lot of stuff, a lot of like Vegeta's hand into part of a statue that's been crumbled, stuff like that. And it's failed stuff. And it's like lovely scatter pieces that you don't have to spend too much money on. And I have a lot of stuff packaging, cardboard. All you gotta buy is what you call it, not milliput or green stuff, but milliput might be a lot cheaper for you and I forgot what the other stuff that It's a jar I just bought that basically protects the foam from aerosol can spray and hardens it as well so it doesn't melt. And getting that stuff done for it. I'm gonna have like a whole bucket of these things, and I am gonna be literally sit down and start making videos of it. Probably when I start school, probably the easiest way I can do it is probably I won't be starting this till like end of May or beginning of June. And you get a lot of stuff done and painted, and I'm gonna store it in the garage for probably never be able to be used for it. That's just part of the video. That's upcoming project. The other part is I want to talk more about Games Workshop, GW miniatures, and proxies for it. GW stuff is getting more and more expensive by every new sets that they release. Even though you might have a savings, if you have $180, $300 to spend on a few pieces of plastic, great. I don't. I really don't. I really want to. I really don't have it. I want to buy the Bertoli and the Tomb Kings, and it's a lot cheaper to buy it on Amazon time to time because they're $20, $30 cheaper, sometimes $50, $60 cheaper for it. But I probably end up going to have to buy it from GW due to the fact that they're out of stock on Amazon, and they don't print a lot of the stuff as they used to do back in the days. I don't know why they don't. Once you buy them, once you open it up and start like putting them together and painting them, the value of a lot of these miniatures just drop by half. Half of it, but people on eBay think they can get triple or quadruple the money because they painted it, and a lot of their paint job looks like garbage. My paint job looks like garbage too, but I will not get that kind of money back from it, in my opinion. Some people may, because some people may have made names, won Golden Demons for it. So I want to get an old world, but I'm actually end up printing proxies of it and just painting it. And I'm trying to get SGW people that work there. I asked, I have like half, I have like 1,000 points of GW Eldars, and I have 1,000 points of proxies. Can I mix and match and play the GW store? They said no. So that was a deal breaker for me because I'm like, I'm not going to spend more money on GW if I can't, use proxies and regular too. I'm buying your stuff. I'm also buying other stuff because you don't have any more prints of these anymore, or they're just ridiculously expensive. Like I have the Scorpion Graph tank. You can't really buy them anymore. Yeah, so I printed mine, and it's like $20. If you want to actually get an authentic Forge World Scorpion, people are selling for like three, four, five, $600 for it. So there's like one game store I know that lets you do it, the tabletop store, but the problem is it's too small. They have 6 tables, but it is too small. You get crushed like a sardine can in it. So I don't like going there as much. My other game stores, they don't really do tabletops and stuff because they don't make much money out of it. They make a lot of their money off of Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, and Magic the Gathering. I stopped buying Magic cards because there's no more value in it anymore. So I proxy print mine, and there's one store to let me play with my proxy long as I pay my $5, $10 for the day, because that's how they make their money. You give them money, and you go and play, and you get one free. We get one boosters. They don't do tournaments anymore. And you let you play your proxy decks and stuff like that. A lot of people do it for it. The other one, that won't do proxies because they want you to buy more cards and stuff like that. So it's weird from different game stores and hobbyists. I know sometimes it's piracy and stuff like that. Problem is that if it is hard for someone to buy it, like regular consumers, just to buy it, then people are gonna find cheaper ways of getting it and playing it with just their friends. I play a lot of my stuff with just my friends, and try to get stuff going for it. Uh, it, it's very difficult. Uh, Pretty soon is I'm not going to buy any more actual physical product. Is me just going to end up printing a lot of these things. And I do like some of the sculpts. I do like playing with other people with actual GW or Chainmail or Reaper minis, stuff like that. Reaper minis is actually pretty cheap, but a lot of their sculpts are kind of bad because they're pouring resin. A lot of their plastics are just pouring resin, and it's not that great. But it's one of those things that you're just gonna have to do. It's you print shit like what I do, and paint them, because D&D doesn't really matter because you buy the books, and I'm not buying the books anymore. Not the newer ones. I'm not buying a book for $70. And I know they just cancel a publisher. I don't know how much they selling it cheaper on Amazon, but if they're selling for $50, I'm like, no, 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 because I usually buy the books there for like $30, 20, $30, and problem is that the replayability, it's slim. It's very slim if I play it or play it at all. I use it as a reference. So and now they're moving towards digital and PDFs and so forth. It is weird seeing what the hobby that you once really liked. It's either you buy food, pay rent, or you get the minis or books. So I just wish it was more affordable for it. They just while their stocks are going down, they keep raising their freaking price, and then their stocks gonna go even more down because people can't afford to buy the damn thing. Well, let me know what you guys think. That's me rambling and vlogging, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye. What the fuck did I press?